Imagine this. You're enjoying a latte at your favorite coffee shop. You connect to the free Wi-Fi, unaware of the unseen danger lurking. Hackers could be eavesdropping on your every digital move. In today's hyper-connected world, Wi-Fi is ubiquitous. From bustling cafes to quiet homes, we rely on it for work, entertainment, and staying connected. But this convenience comes at a price: vulnerability. The statistics are alarming. A recent study revealed that over 60% of public Wi-Fi networks are unsecured. This leaves countless users susceptible to cyber attacks.
Let's unravel the complexities of Wi-Fi security. Like a fortress with weak points, even the most sophisticated systems have inherent vulnerabilities. Hackers exploit these weaknesses to gain unauthorized access to your network and ultimately your valuable data. But how do these digital assailants penetrate our defenses? Through the airwaves, quite literally. Wi-Fi signals, invisible to the naked eye, travel through the air, carrying our data. Hackers use sophisticated tools and techniques to intercept these signals, capturing sensitive information like passwords, credit card details, and personal messages. It's like listening in on a conversation, but in the digital realm.
Let's delve into the minds of these digital trespassers. Wi-Fi hackers employ various methods, each more cunning than the last.
One common tactic is sniffing, capturing data packets as they traverse the network. Another is creating evil twin networks. These masquerade as legitimate Wi-Fi hotspots, tricking unsuspecting users into connecting. Once connected, hackers can monitor every keystroke and steal sensitive information. They also exploit vulnerabilities in routers and outdated firmware. Like leaving a door unlocked, these weaknesses provide easy entry points for hackers to seize control of your network.
Section 4. When Wi-Fi walls crumble. A cautionary tale. Remember the massive data breach at a major hotel chain a few years back?
Hackers infiltrated their Wi-Fi network, gaining access to millions of guest records, including credit card numbers, passport details, and personal information. This incident sent shockwaves through the cybersecurity world, highlighting the devastating consequences of lax Wi-Fi security. It served as a stark reminder that no one is immune to these attacks.
From individuals to multinational corporations, anyone can fall victim to Wi-Fi hacking. The impact can be catastrophic: financial losses, identity theft, reputational damage, and even legal repercussions. Section 5. Safeguarding your digital fortress: essential Wi-Fi security practices. The good news is that we can fortify our digital fortresses against these threats.
By adopting robust security measures, we can significantly reduce the risk of falling prey to Wi-Fi hackers. First and foremost, ensure your Wi-Fi network is password protected, preferably using WPA2 or WPA3 encryption. These protocols encrypt data transmitted over your network, making it much harder for hackers to decipher.
Regularly update your router's firmware, as manufacturers frequently release updates to patch security vulnerabilities. And exercise caution when connecting to public Wi-Fi networks.
If you must use them, consider using a VPN to encrypt your internet traffic. Remember, vigilance is key. Staying informed about the latest threats and adopting proactive security measures is crucial in today's digital landscape.
Let's work together to create a safer online world. Share your thoughts on this critical issue and explore the ever-evolving world of cybersecurity.